Hey guys, we're back with another vlog. I wanted to do a maintenance vlog with you guys because I'm going camping this weekend. Well, technically I'm going glamping, okay? I have an RV that I bought back in 2021. One of the best purchases that I've made that year. I absolutely love it. It has treated me so well so far. But anyway, since we're going camping, I want to look glam, of course, because you never know. Anyway, I mean, that's just who I am anyway. But anyway, I need to do everything. I got my wig washed and blow dried already. If it looks a little different from the install video, that's because it is. I did decide to tone the wig down a little bit. I'll leave the details below if you're interested. I might make another video, but yeah, I did tone it down. It's coming up brown right now on camera, but it's more of a platinum. It still has the brown. I didn't bleach it. I just toned it with the toner. I used purple shampoo. I really needed 2 boxes, but I only had one. So I did tone it down to a platinum and I love it. So let me know if you guys love it too. But anyway, wig is already washed and clean. I just have to glue it down. Nails need to be done. I want to do my lashes. And yeah, so backstory, since I moved, I have yet to find a nail tech that I'm 100% satisfied with. So fortunately, I've been having to do my own nails at home. Not using my money, but I have the money, but I'm not going to pay $100 for some nails I don't like. And so far, I have yet to find anyone that I've liked so far. Toes are fine, but when they come to the nails, it's different. And I'm trying to stay away from acrylics anyway. Since my nails, they have always been thin, and the acrylic just ruins my nails. I don't know if because the nail techs are too rough with the drills and stuff, but the acrylic just tears my nails down. Like, they grow fast, but they just grow so thin. So the press-ons have actually been a godsend for me. So yeah, I'm going to try to attempt to record that for you guys so you guys can see what I'm doing. Lashes, I don't think I'll be able to do the lashes on camera. These are the lashes that I like to use. Ioni brand. If you see this, hit your girl up because I've been using y'all for years anyway. So this is the nail basket that I have. This has all of my press-ons, my nail drill, cuticle oil. I have everything in here. Oh guys, and tell me if you noticed, I have switched up my beauty room a little bit. I had the shoes down there below the TV, but now I have them on this long shelf. So these are all of my shoes. Well, honestly, not all of my shoes, but most of my shoes, sneakers, and things like that. And below the TV now, I don't have anything. I just have some designer boxes. On that shelf, I have some of my perfumes. And if you turn just a little bit on that shelf over there are some of my bags and gym equipment and stuff like that. So let me know if you guys like that setup and any recommendations of what I can put down below. Now, I do have more shoes that I could put down there, but I feel like them being so low, they would collect dust, and I really don't want that. So I thought about putting a rod down there and putting my wigs there, because I keep my wigs in a bag, like a garment bag with a zipper, and it has a hanger. So if I put a thin little rod back there, I can hang it up. But let me know what you think, or if you have any tips or recommendations, or should I just leave it empty? All right, let's get into the video. these are the nails I got from Dollar Tree. They're French press-on nails, and I already have them laid out. What you're going to want to use is a nail file. And I like to use a sander. This is a sander, and a nail drill or Dremel. You're gonna need rubbing alcohol, and I got cotton balls, and of course your LED nail light. So first thing you want to do, you want to take your rubbing alcohol, and make sure all your nails are wiped down, okay? Wipe every single last one, get all the oils, all the dirt off, you know, stuff like that, yeah. Next, you're going to take your nail file. This has 4 sides, this one, this one, this one, and this one. We're going to use the even though side. You want to buff your nails, okay? Quickly, you want to buff all your nails, every last one. Until they look white, okay? They should look white like this. See how it has the texture? Yeah, just like that. I leave it just like that. And next, for all my nails laid out, this is a little bottle of rubbing alcohol, and here I have my Polygel base coat, top coat, and today I will be using natural pink. Okay, so I got my first nail. I want to take this Polygel. Open it up for you guys. I'm going to start kind of towards the middle of the nail and squeeze out about a pea-sized amount and drag it. Now you could take this brush and dip it and kind of press the Polygel out, almost as if you're making a dual form. Press it all along the sides, press it just like that, press it, smooth it out, and press it. This does not dry hard at first, so if you need more, add more. Okay, then you want to take it, put it on your nail, right along the cuticle, and and press it down. I'm gonna take your Polygel. Gel now. Okay, I don't know why this one's very big. This one's very big. So then any excess, so I like to dry it in the dryer for like 5 seconds, take it out, and then really press it down. Any gel that comes out, take your rubbing alcohol and just clean it up. just clean it up like that. And then put it. Guys, let me tell you now, content creation is not for the weak. I tried to record a do my nose with me video for you guys, and yeah, let's just say it's not the tutorial that I was hoping for. So anyway, these are my nails. These are press-ons that I did myself with Polygel. I think I did a pretty good job, if I do say so myself. Let me know what you guys think.